स्वागत है आपका हम सबका क्वेश्चन है स्टडीज़ विद फन में। तो आज हम क्लास 10th का सोशल साइंस का क्वेश्चन पेपर देखने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो हमारा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है स्टेट एनी 2 गोल्स ऑफ डेवलपमेंट अदर दैन इनकम। देन हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन आ जाता है अ चैलेंज इज़ नॉट जस्ट एनी प्रॉब्लम बट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर प्रोग्रेस, एनालाइज द स्टेटमेंट। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज़ गिव एनी 2 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर ऑफ क्रेडिट। देन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है when we produce goods by exploiting natural resources in which category of economic sector such activities come। then हमारा फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है why did the Roman Catholic Church impose control over publishers and booksellers। इसमें हमारा और में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है why do novels use vernacular। then हमारा सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन आ जाता है classify resources on the basis of origin। then इसके बाद हमारे क्वेश्चन है 7th क्वेश्चन है हमारा 1885 वाई वर बिग यूरोपियन पावर्स मेट इन बर्लिन इन 1885। ठीक है। देन हमारा इसमें और में पूछा गया है क्वेश्चन वाई वर merchants from towns in Europe begin to move countryside in 17th and 18th centuries। then हमारा और में आ जाता है एक और क्वेश्चन why did Charles Booth, a Liverpool ship owner, conduct the first social survey of low skilled workers in the East End of London in 1887। then हमारे 8th क्वेश्चन है describe any 3 provisions of amendment made in Indian Constitution in 1992 for making 3-tier government more effective and powerful। then हमारा 9th क्वेश्चन है how is the issue of sustainability importance of development explain with example। ये हमारे 3 मार्क्स के हैं। then हमारा 10th क्वेश्चन है describe the impact of rinderpest on people's livelihood and local economy in Africa in 1890s। इसमें और में हमसे पूछा गया है describe any 3 major problems faced by Indian cotton weavers in 19th century। इसमें एक और क्वेश्चन हमसे और में पूछा गया है describe any 3 steps taken to clean up London during 19th century। then हमारी 11th क्वेश्चन है distinguish the service conditions organized sector with that of unorganized sector। 12th क्वेश्चन आ जाता है द print revolution and transformed the lives of people changing their relationships to information and knowledge, analyze the statement। then इसमें और में पूछा गया है क्वेश्चन distinguish between the themes of pride and prejudice and Jane Eyre novels written by Jane Austen and Charlotte Bronte respectively। then हमारा 13th क्वेश्चन है how has the ever increasing number of industries in India made worse pollution by exerting pressure on existing fresh water resources explain। then 14th क्वेश्चन है dense and efficient network of transport is a prerequisite for local and national development, analyze the statement। then हमारा 15th क्वेश्चन explain the 3 factors that are crucial in deciding the outcome of politics and social division। then हमारा 16 क्वेश्चन है why is cheap and affordable credit important for the country's development, explain any 3 reasons। then हमारा 17 क्वेश्चन भी 3 मार्क्स के, ये अभी तक 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन चल रहे हैं। then हमारा 17 क्वेश्चन है how can consumer awareness be spread among consumers to avoid exploitation in the marketplace, explain any 3 ways। then 18th क्वेश्चन आ जाता है secularism is not an ideology of some political parties or persons but it is one of the foundations of our country, examine the statement। then हमारा 19th क्वेश्चन है how has a foreign trade been integrating markets for different countries, explain with examples। इसमें और में पूछा जा गया है how do we feel the impact of globalization on our daily life, explain with examples। then हमारा 20th क्वेश्चन है 5 मार्क्स का the government of India has introduced various institutional and technological reforms to improve agriculture in the 1980s and 1990s, support this statement with example। इसमें और में पूछा गया है क्वेश्चन compare intensive subsistence farming with that of commercial farming practice in India। then हमारा 21 क्वेश्चन describe any 5 major function of political parties performed in a democracy। then हमारा 22 क्वेश्चन है democracy stands much superior to any other form of government is promoting dignity and freedom of the individual, justify this statement। then हमारा और में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है democracy is lead a peaceful and harmonious life among citizens, justify this statement। then हमारा 23 क्वेश्चन है हाउ डिड नॉन कॉपरेशन movement start with participation of middle class people in the cities? Explain its impact on the economic front. Then हमारा और में इसमें क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, why was Congress reluctant to allow movement to hold any position of authority within the organization? How did women participate in civil disobedience movement? Explain. Then 24th क्वेश्चन हो जाता है, why is the economic strength of a country measured by the development of manufacturing industries? Explain with examples. Then 25th question है, describe the explosive conditions prevailed in Balkans after 1871 in Europe. Then इसमें और में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, describe the role of different religious groups in the development of anti-colonial feelings in Vietnam. Then 26th क्वेश्चन आ जाता है हमारा, two features A and B are marked on the given political outline map of India. Identify these features with the help of the following information and write their correct names of the lines marked near them. The place where the Indian National Congress session was held, the place where Gandhiji organized Satyagraha in favor of cotton mill workers. Then B है, locate and label the following with appropriate symbols on the same given outline political map of India. ये आपको political map में भरने हैं और ये हमारा क्वेश्चन पेपर कंप्लीट हो जाता है। वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।